Morning guys, so I have my coffee and my yogurt. I'm gonna work out today, so yeah, I have a busy day. So let's get this morning started and I need to wake up. So this coffee is life.
From afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say everything.
The homies.
Oh yeah.
Oh, do you remember we used to get these?
This should last for
Yeah, they did. No, I wanted to get softener. Fabric softener.
I literally thought you said soft nuts.
Oh, what are these?
I don't know, but these places are like the best.
You can find so many things.
They're just literally just
Look at the diapers. How much are they going for? But there's so many.
Look at all the diapers.
I know. There's like a bunch here. Alright guys, I'm in my closet. I'm about to work out. Next time you see me, I'm going to be completely sweating. I am so excited because I have not been on the Peloton for a minute. I've just been doing like treadmill stuff. So, alright, let's get this workout. Let's go.
In our intensity.
Woo! She's killing me. Alright guys, I am drenched. Like completely drenched. Now let's shower. Hey guys, I just came out of the shower and I'm so excited to show you how I use this, you guys. I bought this on TikTok shop. I think it was like $47. But yeah, it's different from the ones I've used before because it doesn't make a noise, but it heats up so hot and it makes the hair so silky. So I can't wait to show you how I use this. Also, you guys, I bought this when I was at Manhattan Beach at Sephora. This is probably one of my favorite creams that I've used on my hair. This is the Dream Cocktail Kale Infused Leave-In Strengthening Treatment. I use it when, obviously, I'm about to style my hair. So I'm going to show you how I style and how I use this because, yeah, this is a must. Okay guys, so once my hair is like semi-dry, what I do is now I just heat this up and I'm gonna show you how amazing this brush is. This does not make any noise and it is thermal. Oh my god, literally this angle is not pretty, but it is heating up, like I can feel it. But yeah, I can't wait to show you how I use it.
걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야 알아 멍청해
Love this product. Alright guys, here is the finished product. I freaking love my hair. It is so like thick and I can run my fingers through it. So I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm gonna put some the day. I like this one. This looks so good. Yeah. Sweet.
Wish you all the best, and may God bless you both. Come give me a hug. That was amazing.
Hey guys, I'm just editing my video here. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that this week I'm going to be doing like 3 apartments that are going to be behind like New Paradise area. So it's in not the very best area in Vegas, but I want to showcase like more affordable apartments as well. So I am going to go there, but I was just reading some of my comments and yeah, the trolls are coming out. The trolls are in for me. So I was like, okay. I try not to respond, you know, because I don't want to snowball it. I don't want to make it worse. And I just feel like, yeah, it's just no point. So, but I was just like, oh, okay. I'm like, great. That's fun. You know, we also got to say thanks to them. You're doing something right if they don't like you. But yeah, not everyone is gonna like you, and that's totally fine. You know, we all have different views, we all have different things that have happened in our lives, and I feel like that's what makes people either dislike or make you, you know, like a person. So, but I'm pretty sure I'm actually pretty sure that we all have a lot of things in common, and I bet you if we all talked about it, we would be surprised of how much we have in common. So I always kind of think of what Dolly Parton said. She's like, you know, if you're not going to like me, that's fine, but at least get to know me, you know, before you make that decision, you know, because you'd be surprised of how much we probably have in common. On that note, last week was like one of the hardest weeks for me in 2025. Going through a lot of things right now in my personal life with family back at home in Australia, which sucks. But a little backstory, just a little one. Growing up, I had to grow up really fast, and there was a lot of turmoil. There was a lot of havoc in my growing up, so a lot of that has spilled over, you know, in my adult years and stuff with my parents, and it's just hard sometimes to, it's hard sometimes to agree with their decisions, and it does still affect me in some way. So last week was really tough, and it definitely got to me, and it definitely brought me down. You know, I believe, like, in my opinion, my depression are moments, and I had a moment last week, and it was tough, but I got out of it. I got out of the funk, and yeah, it really does hit hard sometimes. And yeah, it's crazy, you know, when you've had a really hectic childhood, sometimes those things definitely seep through in your adult life, and it's hard sometimes to comprehend those things, you know, because you're like, fuck, like that actually happened, you know, and this happened, and so those things kind of get you down. And I just kind of went into a rabbit hole where I just started to go down and down and down, and I was like, what the like, why did I do that? Why? Just get out of it, you know. Just don't do that. But yeah, finally it's over. Me personally, I have to go through it. I have to go through the scary moments, you know. I have to go through them because I can't replace them with alcohol or drugs, even though that's what I know, you know. Growing up, that was the remedy that people around me were taking, because that's the way that they handled situations. And don't get me wrong, I dabbled in that a little bit, and it just made it worse for me. So I have to go really through the emotion, and it takes a toll sometimes, and it definitely took a toll last week. So yeah, that's why I was like not on YouTube. I probably quit YouTube like 8 times because I was like, I'm not doing it. Like, not like, I'm just like, no. Because the thing is, when I go through things like that, I like to shut away from everything and everyone, you know, including my husband. I like to just get away, and in my mind, not physically get away, but just go. So yeah, it's not easy. It's a challenge, but yeah, I made it through, and you know, I'm really just happy that I have Richard for support, and the love that he gives me is definitely unconditional, and I couldn't do it without him. So, but yes, I will keep going. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit some stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.